And I'm not going to use my sleeves today. What you do is you take the £10 note like this, fold it in half once, in half again, like this, blow like this, one more time, and this hand's empty. Watch this. Just do a little change, and the note completely changes into $1. Okay? You can keep that as a souvenir, but it's alright. We'll try and do it this way. Fold it back here. With any luck, that's the tenner back. You don't want to keep that, do you? No? I'll show you a trick with the lighter now. Watch this. You get this lighter, see that the label's actually on both sides of the lighter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this label off. Just watch, like this. And we'll chuck it back on again. This time I'm going to make the label vanish, blow in my hand, totally disappears. I don't normally do this, but the secret to the trick is I had 2 lighters. I've got this one with no label on it, and this one with the label on it here, you see. Now watch this, I'm going to make the label go from here to here, watch. Like this, and it jumps back again. Or if you give it a rub like this, you see they both disappear. Or a little shake and then they come back. And actually,